Good morning, Travis. October 20th, today's Monday, and gosh, a sense of calm has come over the markets apparently. In foreign currencies and markets, there's a little bit of stability opening this morning. Obviously, their time's a little different, so our Sunday is their first trading day on Monday mornings. And some sense of stability and security, it looks like, is coming into the markets, which in turn has caused our market to open this morning in a positive note, both in bonds and stocks, which is usually uncommon, as I've talked about in the past. Usually if the stocks are on a rally value or a growth in stocks, money's pulled out of mortgage-backed securities and bonds, because that's usually the safe place where money is parked. But they're both up this morning. Bonds are actually up 53 basis points, which a mortgage-backed security, which in this case is a 6% mortgage note that's traded just like a stock, and it's up 53 basis points, which again is a 0.5% in fee that you would pay on a mortgage. So $300,000 loan, that's a $1,500 improvement from Friday. So let's hope that trend continues today. And the Dow's even up 60 points. Right now, Ben Bernanke speaking to the House Budget Committee, and they're basically the oversight of cash infusion that the government has put into the banks as far as buying stock and then other programs right now they've created. And so he's addressing them, and some of the things he said has already hit the wires. It's gone public, and with that news, he's mentioned he's seen a risk protracted slowdown, and immediately the market reacted. But some other terminology he used caused a little bit of confidence that it's going to be bad, but we certainly at least expected it's going to be bad. But some of the things he said gave us the impression that there is hope and there's light at the end of the tunnel. So, being said, you strongly recommend floating. With that, unless you're working with me or a lender that is a certified mortgage planning specialist or someone that is in tune to the market and stays on top of things and watches the market or throughout the day, floating is always a thing that concerns me for just giving that blanket advice, because if someone's not watching the market, they're out golfing today, and the market tanks, and then all of a sudden your rate worsens by a quarter, then the floating was not the correct step to take, because someone's not there ready to pull the trigger for you. So I always advise locking to know we'll be able to pull the trigger. Outside of that, it's a trading day. The LIBOR is monthly adjusted back to the London Interbank Offered Rate. It's the banks borrow money from each other overseas and as well here in the States. And since there has been some stability, the LIBOR's dropped. It was a huge margin between the Treasury and LIBOR, and now it's starting to come down a little bit. So that's positive news for banks. But again, no economic reports really due out today. There will probably be some more terminology from Ben Bernanke speak morning. His wires, I don't see any adjustments as I talk, so nothing major has changed in the last 2 minutes. Right now, I think you should have a pretty good day. So right now, enjoy the quietness and enjoy the positive side that we're looking, and enjoy your Monday. And we look forward to seeing you. Great day and be blessed.